Alright, I'm going to do a quick bike check for my 2012 Kink Gap XL. Alright, I'll start up here. The Sunday grips, I really like them. I don't think they make them anymore, or at least I can't find them, but they're really good. Sunday bar ends, really nice. Just a brake lever off my friend's old bike. Kink Tower bars, 8-inch rise. Something my friend gave me. The Mission Converge stem. A Salt pitch flow tire, 20 by 2.25. But it's really wide. I think for it's a dirt tire. I like it. I like the thick tires. A Stolen rim with a Stolen hub, sealed in white. Kink Volt Forts. Kink Gap XL frame. Ran sticker in. A red Mission seat clamp. A green Animal seat post. The Kink pivotal seat. A blue Cam-C chain with a blue Eastern sprocket or chain wheel, whatever you want to call it. The red Nitro shifter cranks with the red Odyssey twisted PC with the, I just put that on a little while ago, black cover. The back Assault pitch flow 20 by 2.10 tire. It's big for a back tire. It's nice. It's losing most of its tread though, but it's fine. The Salt High Q light rim, leads to a Salt Pro hub unsealed. It's not very loud, but I'll try and let you hear it. Not really that loud, but it's my bike check. Like, subscribe. I just got that new rim. Yeah, thank you for watching.